be able to access the lock, we need to remove partially the door gasket, which is press fit in. So just gently press the door gasket out to get access to two holes that we have here, which has the screws in. With the Phillips screwdriver, I'm gonna remove both screws. Then we can grip on it and we flip it over to be able to remove it. To install a new one, which is identical, we're gonna do the same process backward. Reinsert. And for the final, we have to repress the gasket in. So what we call the arrow into the groove, we simply press, make sure that it's holding properly, and the job is done.